information in chapter 22 from the text, the chapter on conifers. You should have read the chapter already and turned in the answers to the 10 questions at the end of the chapter. Do you know what conifers are? Well, conifers are the type of trees such as pines that have cones instead of colorful flowers. About a third of the world's trees are conifers, and the vast majority of conifers are found in the great conifer forests of North America and Siberia. Conifers are hardy trees that have been able to survive well, and as a result, both the oldest and the biggest trees in the world belong to the conifer family. The oldest known living tree is a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine, which is located in California. The giant redwoods, which are also found in California, are the largest trees. They can be several hundred feet tall and weigh as much as 2,000 tons. An interesting note about the giant redwoods is that even though the trees are so large, they have relatively small cones. What is true of most, but not all conifers, is that they are evergreens with needle-like leaves. The needle-like shape of conifer leaves evolved as a reaction to drought. When compared with a flat leaf, a needle presents a much smaller surface area, which decreases the amount of water lost through the leaves. Because most conifers are evergreens, they lose and replace their needles throughout the year, rather than shedding all their leaves in one season, as deciduous trees do. That's all for today. For next class, you should read the next chapter and do the same with it that you did with the chapter for today. See you next class.
See you next class. カニファーは針葉樹かな。コーンは多分松ぼっくりとかのことやと思うけどね。
Today, I'm going to go over the presentations you'll be giving and what I'm looking for in them. I'm sure you'll want to give really good presentations. The presentations are, by the way, 50% of your grade in the course. Did that get your attention? That's right. For each of you, your presentation is fully half of your grade in the course. Now first, let me talk about the topic. This is a course about economic theory. So for your presentation, I want you to choose one of the economic theories from the course and apply it to some present-day situation. This means that you need to include both the theory and the present-day situation and make it clear how the theory is applicable to the present-day situation. And you'll need to include enough facts about the present-day situation to demonstrate that it provides a good example of the theory you selected. Now let me make it clear what I expect regarding the timing of your presentation. I'm going to be very strict about the time. You have exactly 5 minutes to present, not a second more. And in this
And in
5
this 5
minutes,
minutes,
you have to
you have
present
to
both the
present
theory and the present-day example
present
to
day
show
example
how they're
to show
related.
how they are related.
You'll be
You'll
stopped
be
at the
stopped
end of
at
5
the end
minutes,
of 5
whether
minutes,
you're
whether
finished
you're
or not.
finished or not.
And you can
And
believe
you
me,
can believe
if
me,
you haven't
if you
finished all
haven't
the
finished
main
all
points
the
of
main
your
points of your
presentation within 5
presentation
minutes,
within 5
your
minutes,
grade
your
will
grade
suffer.
will suffer.
Then, after you make your presentation, the other students will have 5 minutes to question you on your presentation. The question and answer period following the presentation will also last for 5 minutes, and all of the students in the audience are expected to be involved in questioning the presenter.
Professor, what if we don't know enough about the situation to ask questions about it?
It's the responsibility of the presenter to provide enough information about the situation. If you're unable to ask questions, then the presenter hasn't done a very good job. The presentation needs to provide enough details about the present-day situation.
ですよね。